Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing. Verify the WhatsApp business app is updated, and back up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud so nothing is lost. Next, make sure your business phone number can receive SMS or calls for verification. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open the app, tap Settings, then Business Settings, create or confirm your business profile name and category. These first steps lock in identity and recovery, so updates later are safe and consistent. You will now refine what customers see. Go to Business Profile and edit name, description, hours, address, and website so information is accurate and searchable. Then update your catalog, add or refresh product images, prices, SKU details, and organize items into categories for faster browsing. After that, set messaging tools. Create a clear greeting, configure away messages, and craft quick replies for common questions. Make sure labels and automated flows match inventory so customers get timely. You finish by securing and testing. Enable two-step verification and re-verify your number to protect your account. Then run realistic tests. Place a test order, trigger automated messages, and open catalog links to confirm everything behaves as expected. If a sync or display error occurs, clear the app cache, restart the phone, and if needed, re-verify the number or restore the latest backup from Google Drive or iCloud. This troubleshooting tip fixes most update-related glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.